Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. This is your Power Hour update for June 28th, 2021, the show where I try to give you all the information you need before the market closes, and we've got a lot to get into, including the major indices, news from Sunlife Financial, Regeneron, and Etsy, and of course your top gainers and losers in the market. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome to another Power Hour update. I hope you guys all had a great weekend. I know I did. I was up at the cabin, played with the kids in the lake, and just had a lot of fun. It was pretty great to relax. All right, but we're back, and we got lots of news. We're going to cover news from Sunlife Financial, your biggest gainers and losers. We got Regeneron in the news, and Etsy, and Regeneron again. Let's just jump right over to TipRanks.com. We'll tell you all about it. Speaking of TipRanks.com, you can get the premium membership right now for 20% off because TipRanks is celebrating a birthday. So check out the link in the description, okay? But S&P 500 down slightly, very slightly, 0.05% down on the day, followed by the Dow Jones down actually 210 points today, down 0.61% on the day, and then the NASDAQ getting up there again, all-time highs almost, 0.92% up on the day. Big day for the NASDAQ. All right, let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down a little bit today. You can see that down almost 2% on the day. However, Bitcoin had a tremendous weekend. They were up quite a bit over the weekend, trading at almost 36,000, and they're back close to 34,000 per coin right there. All right, let's jump into the news. We have Sunlife Financial, which is one of the largest insurance companies in the world, supporting the Foundation for Black Communities by donating 825,000 Canadian dollars. It says right here, the Foundation for Black Communities is the first philanthropic foundation in Canada run by Blacks and serving Black people. Its goal is to ensure that every Black person in Canada can prosper and define their own future. Sunlife president says our communities thrive when they are equitable. We know that Black communities are seeing greater impacts as a result of the pandemic while also being historically underserved. This donation will enable Black-led community organizations to access the resources they need to create change. This is one way Sunlife is building diverse and equitable communities. Now, Sunlife is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, ticker symbol SLF. This comes in with a strong buy rating based on 8 analyst ratings with an average upside of over 17% over the next 12 months, with ranges anywhere from 56 to 75 bucks. So pretty good ranges there for Sunlife. All right, in other news, we have Regeneron Dupixent gets a label extension in Europe to include atopic dermatitis in adults. So it says so far over 260,000 patients have been treated with the drug across more than 60 countries. Furthermore, Dupixent is also being evaluated in a number of conditions, including pediatric asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and bullous pemphigoid. I'm a doctor, obviously, guys. All right, let's jump over and see how Regeneron is doing based on the analysts. We have this set as a moderate buy based on 10 analyst ratings with an average upside of 14.5% for Regeneron, ticker symbol REGN. All right, lastly, we have Etsy expanding internationally. They're acquiring a Brazilian e-commerce marketplace for $217 million. Etsy has signed an all-cash deal to acquire ELO7. Now, ELO7 is a top 10 e-commerce site in Brazil. It connects about 1.9 million active buyers with 56,000 active sellers and currently has about 8 million items for sale. It's a very similar marketplace to Etsy where they have some sort of like made-to-order marketplace. Very similar how Etsy started. Not quite the same as what Etsy has become. It's more like eBay, but how is Etsy doing now? Strong buy based on 14 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 14% for Etsy, and Etsy has had a tremendous last couple of years. All right, let's move on to your top gainers and losers in the market today. Of course, we'll start with your losers because I want to save the best for last for you guys, you know? I just want to be nice. All right, number 5 on the biggest losers list is Liberty Oilfield Services, down 9% on the day. We have Kazoon Limited Sponsors, ticker symbol BZ, down 9.63%. Then we have SEM Rush Holdings, ticker symbol SEMR, down almost 11% on the day. And we have Full Truck Alliance Company Limited. That's a mouthful. Ticker symbol YMM, down 11.5% today. And then Excelixis Sure I pronounced that correctly. Ticker symbol EXEL, down almost 23% on the day. Big losses there for that company. All right, let's move on to your top gainers. We have DACO New Energy, ticker symbol DQ, up almost 13% on the day. In the number 4 spot, we have Sprinkler Incorporated Class A, ticker symbol CXM, up 14% on the day. And then Beam Therapeutics in the number 3 spot, up almost 16% on the day. Ticker symbol there is BEAM. And then we have Jinko Solar in the number 2 spot. Some big winners today, up 22% today for ticker symbol JKS. And then, speaking of Regeneron, this company has some partnerships with Regeneron, and they had a phase 1 study go really well on a new drug. And ticker symbol NTLA is up over 50% on the day. Big gains there, and big news for Regeneron. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another Power Hour update. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Remember, first link in the description, 20% off of TipRanks Premium. Fantastic service, of course. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you at 3 p.m. Eastern tomorrow for another Power Hour update. Thanks.